Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a little like craft with me. I don't even know if this is going to be a tutorial because I've actually never done it. So you're going to find out with me. Saw my barely art video. So I'm using my new little precision tip craft glue with this project. This was 1000% inspired by Elle on Instagram. She made, I never thought to layer sequins like on a project. She said she does it for like super special projects or, you know, stuff that she wants to stand out. So cute. So I just whipped out a couple of different like types of sequins, big ones, small ones, flat ones, stars, mixes that people gifted me, some stars, and then little like diamond things. These are from AliExpress, and then some seed beads as well. Okay, so now what? So I'm going to use this little mix right here. I am using some tweezers from AliExpress. These are my go-to tweezers. I order like a bunch of them, and when I eventually ruin them, I just move on to the next pair, like no big deal. So I'm going to start with, I don't know if I should use a black background, so I'm just gonna, I guess these are like an iridescent white. See, I'm scared. I don't even know how to layer or freaking sequins. She, her video, she just had them all, I wonder if I should just glob some glue on here and hope for the best. So I'm using the very fine tip one. I'm just gonna put some, glob some glue on here. And just start laying stuff down because I don't know what it's supposed to look like, what it's gonna look like. A little more glue here, here. Maybe a star sequin right here, hanging off the edge, and then let's do a pink seed bead, another pink seed bead. Oh, I need a diamond. Where's the diamonds? Diamonds, yes. Why does that one look white? I mean red. Is this optical illusion? I need like a sequin in the middle, like a pink one. Have any like reference photos because I'm recording with my phone, but she basically just has like clusters like this, a clear one, spiral, do maybe if I just drop the seed beads on there versus having to place them. I want this little guy dry. So I definitely think I'm liking the, hers were so cute, her little clusters, the big ones, but I'm having a hard time doing the big clusters, so maybe I should stick to the small clusters. It's maybe more up my alley. Oh, if I stick the bling upside down, that's a good idea. Okay, I think I like the look of this one. So there's something called a cupped sequin, like this, and then a flat one. See how there's absolutely no like cupping to it? Flat and cupped. Yes, I'm liking, I mean, you just gotta play around with these guys because now I'm liking. Yes, I'm liking that. I'm getting better. Let's do a big white one. Okay, it's acting like a Mexican jumping bean right now. Oh yeah, trio of pinks. So with this glue, you definitely have a lot of wiggle room. This is not your, you know, fast grab Fabri-Tac or, you know, hot glue. I think I'm liking those ones, like the smaller clusters. Like I'm not that good at the big ones. Elle, if you are watching, is this like the steps that you did, or did you just glue a bunch of glue down, like globs of glue, and then just worked as it worked with it as you went. I'm wondering how like your thought process was going. Okay guys, so I stopped only because it's late and I'm like hunching over with my neck, so my neck's hurting. It's a very tedious little project. That's probably why she said she only does them on special projects, but I tried to make, you know, a little cluster of them pre-made so that I could just add them to my projects like she does. So anyway, this is my first one, the bigger. I definitely think I'm better at making the smaller versions. Like here's another big one. These are using like a bigger sequin and the glue is still drying, but I mean, nothing's falling off like if I drop it and stuff. So that's good to know. These guys are my favorite. They're a 6mm sequin, flat sequin. This is another 6mm sequin. Okay, I'm closer. Okay, so this is a big sequin. I don't even know how many, maybe 8mm sequin. This is a 6mm sequin. And then these little pink ones on here are, I want to say 4, and that gold one is a 3mm. I get all of my sequins on AliExpress because I'm obsessed. But anyway, I like the smaller clusters. Definitely way more than my big ones. Again, this was my first one. I didn't really know what I was doing. So you get better as you go. And I was laying these little like flat back clear diamond gemmies. I was laying them flat. But I like the look when they're kind of like, you see that? It's like cockeyed and like a turtle on its back. I like when it's turned the other way around. I don't know why, it just looks cuter to me, I guess. So here's some more. This is a bigger one right here. Actually, that bottom sequin is from Cartwright. It's like a swirl one like this. There's a gold one and a clear one. Just moving these around. These are not fully dry yet, but they're drying. But they're getting there. This one with the star. This one I was just kind of like cluster grouping. This one. Too impatient to wait till this video completely dried, but I like this one. 2 6mm ones stacked on top of each other, like side by side. And then this one was like a bigger one. He didn't turn out too bad. I kind of like him. So 6 with 2 5s on it and a 3mm on there with the little diamonds and some seed beads sprinkled on there. This one right here, super cute. I like these little white ones with the little star peeping out of there. Those are cute. I made a couple of those guys. I tried to, when I was catching on. When I liked something, I tried to replicate it again. And then there's this little guy, no stars, just a little upside down diamond on a white one. This one, I tried to go minimal with just 2 and some beads, and it doesn't scream like cute. And then these guys right here, this is my favorite little combo with the Cartwright sequin at the bottom. So I replicated it 3 times. And I think these are my fave with the little stars. So it's definitely cute when you have different shapes, different sizes, seed beads, you know, the little diamonds. And sorry, I was doing that for testing purposes. Nothing is falling apart. I don't see any seed beads flying anywhere. Yeah, no, we have no casualties when I just smashed it with my hand. So good to know with that Barely Arts glue. I will leave information down in the description box, and I will catch you guys on the next crafting video. Bye, guys.